Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Holo gradient with chrome stamping. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm starting with Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient base today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Violet Nightmares and Sunken Secrets for most of the nails. Then on the accent nails, I'll be using Lavender Syrup as well as Sparkling Water. I'm not going to be using a base color, but I am going to be prepping around my nails using liquid latex. Once the latex is dry, we're going to move right into the gradient. I'm just using two colors, so I'm going to apply the blue on half and the purple on the other half. I'm going to be working on the accent nails first, and then I'll move on to the rest of the nails. You'll have noticed I did not remove the latex when I finished with the gradient, and that's because I'm going to be moving into some stamping. I'm going to be using Holo Taco's Iron Violet, and I'm going to be using Moyu London Kaleidoscope 04 plate with this pattern right here. I have heard from a few people that the chromes can be a bit tricky to pick up. I was lucky that my stamper cooperated, but if you try it and don't immediately have luck, if you have another stamper head available, you may just want to try that. So we're going to apply the polish, scrape, pick it up, and line it up on each of my nails. And I actually just remembered that I was going to apply a sticky base to make sure it transferred well. So I'm actually very happy that that stuck. Maybe I will just save the sticky base for the first gradient, and I will just continue on stamping directly over the darker base. can go ahead and remove the protection as you go on each nail, or you can wait until they're all done, which is what I chose to do so that I could just make sure that there's not any places where the stamp is too connected to like both the nail and the latex. You don't want it to lift at all from the nail when you peel the latex off. Then I'm just going to go ahead and remove the protection on each nail. Since I used the same latex for the gradient and the stamping, I didn't get the cleanest peel ever, but it does still help with the residue. And then any other random polish that I have, I'm going to use a Q-tip before going in for the closer bits with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, I'll be finishing everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I think it works really well as an accent nail manicure, but if I had to choose between them, I'd probably go with the pastels. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can see that holo pop, and you'll notice it does pop a little bit more on the pastels, but the dark rainbow colors are really pretty as well. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial for this, that's available over on my VOD channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some cool perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.